This is the BTicino 2-wire SCS system, or as it's known in the industry, the My Home system. What we have in front of us here is the products required to make up a very simple dimming component. It's called BTicino SCS system because SCS stands for Simplified Cabling System, and that is because it uses a non-polarized 2-wire bus. This particular cable here is the BTicino 336904 cable, which we highly recommend. We also have here the L4652/2. This is a 1-gang or 2-gang switch. 1-gang, you can have a contact closure only on the bottom of the button, or if we use the black number, we can have contact closure on top and bottom. These are available in both 1-gang here and 2-gang, as we have on this particular switch. Beside that is the BTicino F415 dimmer. This is for electronic loads. There is also an F414, which is designed for incandescent or iron core style loads. Next to that is the power supply. This is the 346000. I usually recommend the E46 ADCN be used for lighting control applications. On the power supply there is a primary side 240 volt bus, 240 volt component, and then you have the bus componentry. We also need for this particular application a range of configurators. This is the BTicino box of configurators, 3501K1. Comes in very helpful for decent sized jobs. We've also got the standard BTicino support frame, which is designed for the actual switch mechanism to slot in there. Now, to get this switch communicating to this dimmer is very simple. On the back of this switch there is area point of light and area point of light. So if we use these little green configurators and we put area 1 point of light 1 into the housing, and in the dimmer we put the identical configuration in, so area 1 equals 1, and point of light 1 equals 1. We now have an association of this switch to this dimmer by way of what's called point-to-point lighting association. We then plug this into the bus device, simple Phoenix connector, plugging in, and the dimmer. We plug those devices in there, clamp this shut, we now have control of this dimmer from this switch here. So on and off will be done through this dimmer. It's important to note as well that if there is no load on the output side, that this dimmer will not actually switch on through way of a safety device, an internal safety device. And that there is how you program or configure a switch to control a dimmer in the BTicino SCS system.